In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add Jockie music to Discord. By the end, you'll have the music bot added to your server using Discord's built-in discovery tools, with no external links required. This process is quick and straightforward, and I'll walk you through each screen so you know exactly what to expect. First, look at the left sidebar in Discord where you see the list of servers you've already joined. At the bottom of that list, find the small compass icon. Click that to open the Discover section. This area is where you can browse communities and, importantly for us, find apps you can add to your own server. If you don't immediately see the compass, make sure you're using the desktop app or the most up-to-date version of Discord. Once Discover opens, navigate to the Apps section. This is where Discord showcases verified and trusted apps and bots that you can install directly. It keeps everything in one place and helps you avoid questionable links. In the Apps section, use the search bar and type Jockie Music. As you type, you should see Jockie Music appear in the results. Click on it to open its app page. Here, you'll see details about what the bot does and a list of permissions it needs to function properly. Typically, a music bot will request permissions like connecting to voice channels and reading messages so it can take your song requests. Take a moment to review these so you know exactly what you're granting. When you're ready, click Add App. Discord will prompt you to choose a server. You'll only see servers where you have the required permissions to add apps, usually the Manage Server permission. Open the drop-down, select the server you want Jockie Music on, and proceed. If your server isn't listed, switch to a server where you have the right permissions, or ask an admin to add the app for you. After a brief moment, Jockie Music will be added to your server. You should see it appear in the member list, and you'll often get a confirmation message in your selected text channel. From here, you're all set. If you ever run into issues with the bot joining voice channels or responding to commands, check that the bot's role has the necessary permissions in your server and the specific channels you're using. That's all there is to it. You've successfully added Jockie Music to your Discord server using the Discover section and the Apps page. Enjoy your music sessions and have fun customizing the experience for your community.